Are you ready to say goodbye to that stubborn tummy fat using common spices found in your own kitchen? In this video, we'll explore the top 5 spices that can help you on your journey to tummy fat reduction. Whether you're looking for natural ways to trim down or simply want to enhance your overall health, these foods, these spices are your secret weapons. Hi, my name is Inko and I am passionate about helping you look good no matter your age. If you find this video useful, remember to like it, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to know immediately a video is released. Are you ready? I have a free healthy meal plan for you, packed full with energizing foods. You can find it in the link in the description of this video. Now, here are the 5 spices that can help you trim your tummy fat naturally, and also how to use these 5 spices. 1. Turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially aiding in tummy fat reduction. Now, how do we use turmeric? You can sprinkle a pinch. You can add a pinch of turmeric to your morning smoothie or to your scrambled eggs. Use it in curries, in soups, and stews for an earthy flavor and color. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings for sugary snacks and preventing excess fat storage around the belly. Okay, now how do we use cinnamon? Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, on your yogurt, or whole grain cereal for a flavorful and sweet twist. I put cinnamon in my ice cream. Mix it into your morning coffee or your tea. 3. Ginger. Ginger has natural thermogenic properties, which means it can increase your body's metabolic rate, potentially aiding in the burning of abdominal fat. How do you use ginger? Brew ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. Add fresh or powdered ginger to your stir fries and soups for an extra kick. 4. Cayenne pepper. The compound capsaicin in cayenne pepper is a well-known metabolic booster. It can help with fat burning, including in this abdominal area. How do you use cayenne pepper? Spice up your meals with a dash of cayenne pepper. It is great for seasoning meats, veggies, and even your popcorn. Mix a pinch of cayenne pepper into your salad dressings for a spicy kick. Number 5, black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which can enhance the absorption of nutrients and potentially help in weight management and fat reduction. How do you use black pepper? Black pepper can enhance the flavor of virtually any dish. Use it in your marinades, sauces, and on grilled vegetables. Freshly ground black pepper is more potent and flavorful. Did you notice that all the 5 spices mentioned are hot? They give your body a kick or the boost just as if you performed an exercise. Remember that while these spices can be beneficial for tummy fat reduction, they work best when integrated into a balanced nutrition and an active lifestyle. There is no magic spice for instant results, but adding these spices into your meals will support your overall efforts to achieve a healthier, slimmer you. Don't forget to grab your healthy meal plan from the description of this video. And then, if you found this video useful, leave a comment or a question, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video where we will discuss the different teas, herbal teas that help with tummy fat reduction as well. All the best. Thank you for watching.